How to screen mirror on Hisense Google TV. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to screen mirror your phone or tablet to your Hisense Google TV quickly and easily. Step 1. Connect to the same Wi-Fi. Make sure your Hisense Google TV and your phone/tablet are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Enable screen mirroring on Hisense TV. By using your remote, press the Home button. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Display, Cast, or look for Screen Mirroring option. Turn on Cast or Screen Mirroring. Step 3. Screen mirror from your phone or tablet. For Android devices, swipe down to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap on Cast, Screencast, or Smart View, depending on your device. Select your Hisense Google TV from the list. Your phone screen will now appear on your TV. For iPhone/iPad, using AirPlay, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap Screen Mirroring. Select your Hisense Google TV if it supports AirPlay. Your iPhone/iPad screen will appear on the TV. Step 4. Stop mirroring. To stop, just disconnect from the cast or screen mirroring option on your phone or tablet. Thanks for watching.